So I'm looking at our calculator program, and I'm noticing I have some redundant code. You notice here with button 1 and button 2, the code is almost identical. You go get the text, you check to see if it's equal to 0, you set the text input to blank if it is 0, and then you append whatever number you want. Anytime I see code like that, it makes me want to consolidate that and put it into one method, and then just call that method in the places that's needed. So I've taken the time to write that. If you look, put it here at the bottom. It's private because I only want other methods in this class to be able to call it. But I'm just making up this name, append number. So I want to factor out this behavior. So we look here at append number, and we check, we bring in that number. I think we're going to make it a character. So I use the char data type. And it basically follows the same pattern. Goes and gets the text, sees if it's 0. If it is, then blank it out. If it isn't, then just append the character that was passed in to the text that was inputted and show that in the UI. And so in the places where I need to do all those things, I can just call append number. So I see how I have it here for 9 and 8 and 7. I've already gone in and changed these. If I go to 1 and 2, now this becomes a lot easier. Just say append number, and you pass in the character. Use a single quote for characters. See, that's a lot less wordy, a lot less opportunity for bugs to creep into your system. And I factored out common code, which is you should always be on the lookout to do that. Now they're all using the same logic. Now here, decimal point's a little bit different, just like 0 is a little bit different. Because if it's 0, what do we say for 0? We get it, we make sure if it's not equal to 0, then we put in a 0 there. We want to do the same thing for the decimal point. Notice that the structure is the same as well. So if we really wanted to factor that, we could do that as well. That would be kind of overkill, I think. So we'll just call it good. All right, let's try it. So I'm putting in my numbers, put a decimal point. If I do squared, don't have it hitched up yet, reciprocal, square root, reciprocal. Yeah, it looks like it's working. If I clear it and I put in a decimal point, it ignores it. A 0, it ignores it. If I put a 0.2, that's not going to work. So I guess in the case where we have 0, we do actually want to put a decimal point there. So why don't we just call our append number? Probably have to change the name now, though. Kind of misusing it, but that's okay. Let's see how that works. Zero 0.5. 6. Seems to have worked. I'm concerned that when we put the decimal point, the 0 goes away. Maybe in that case we leave the 0 there. So let's go back then. Here we don't care if it's equal to 0. We're just going to we'll just do it regardless. Try that out. Looks pretty good. And it looks like we're getting what we need.